Where are we going, Cara?
We're going to OB Oktoberfest.
We're going on the treasure hunt.
Going on
No.
We're gonna get some sausage.
What are your expectations for this afternoon?
I feel like there's gonna be a lot of people.
We're German. I am German. I hope this is one
Start
of those
again.
clips where it's like it repeats what I say like in text, so everybody can make sure they heard my joke.
And then it'll be the little baby cry sound.
Yeah.
It'll be the
Yeah.
yes. Cara, those are Cara classics.
Those are.
Yeah.
I love. Those are my favorite parts.
This is gonna be so meta.
Wait, I want to film. Hi. Where are we going, Cara? Oktoberfest. We're walking down to Oktoberfest. And we're gonna dance in our German dancing group. Bye bye!
Corners of the world. Many of them do not even speak English, but they are.
So Ryan, how do you feel that you just did
I
that?
ate 3 bratwursts. It's pretty greasy.
I got number 4.
Oh, look at that nitro. Wait. Oh, look at that fall.